Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this amazing relaxation tool from Latumab. This is their eye massager, and it has been such a lifesaver for me. I struggle with migraines and sinus issues, and my eyes are always at the scene of the crime for my pain. I just love the compression massage that it gives my eyes. The pressure is so relaxing, and I love the added benefits that it can help my circulation, and it also has a vibration that will play on and off during the compression. I have dry eyes, and heated patches is something that has been recommended to me to assist with that. So instead of running downstairs to put a heat pack in the microwave, I just use this, and I love wearing this heated setting so much. If that wasn't enough, it also connects to Bluetooth, and you can play music right from your phone. If you don't want to do that, it also has its own music that plays, but I usually turn it off. The runtime for this is about 15 minutes, and then it will turn itself off before you have to turn it on again. You can turn the music on and off by double clicking the side, and it's great for those with disabilities because it communicates what mode you're on verbally, and it even says goodbye when it turns itself off or when you turn it off. And I'm just so impressed by the compression program. It really is so non-irritating because it doesn't do the same mode over and over again. It runs through like a series of modes, and it's just kind of always changing up how it's compressing, whether that's your sinuses, whether that's the side of your head, whether that's right over your eyes or your eyebrows. It just is always kind of changing so that you don't get too used to one mode and you're just relaxed. So I really recommend this. Now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.